Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Guys, I know this is a very sensitive issue because we have South Africans who are still fighting and defending these people after unaliving our children, after doing all sorts of crazy things. Kodwa kunabantu abasabalwela, abanye benziwa ukuba selfish ukuthi bafuna irent ibona from these people. They don't care about what is happening to their neighbors. They don't care. All they care about inzuzo. Is the profits they are getting from these people, i-rent abayithola from these people. I know ukuthi abanye abantu bazothi, I know bayasukelwa, lezinto ifakwa yibona. What for? Othisha besikole angeke bezoba nejealousy ye-tuckshop ethengisa abo my friend, othisha besikole, abantu abaqashiwe abasebenzela ugovernment. They are not hawkers. Othisha are not hawkers ukuthi bangaba jealous for abo my friend. Why must they be jealous of abo my friend? Are they in business competition with them? Look at what some of the schools found inside of those pocket ships bought from Abo my friend.
Siyabingelela mphakathi. Ukhansela umlambo lokhulumayo. Silapha edlangezwa what date. Ekseni nje sithola umbiko esikoleni ukuthi sekutholakele lento phakathi ema-chipsini. Okungathi kungamagenqelo amaphilisi angaziwa ke ukuthi yini. Ingane uthenge ekseni isitolo sabantu bokufika uma kuthi kuyavula sekutholakala lokho okungamaphilisi asazi ukuthi yini. Sofisa ke ingane ziqaphela abazali kakhulukazi uqwashisa ingane ingathengwa noma yikuphi ngoba sekubonakala ukuthi sekunenkinga yangempela. Asazi ukuthi amaphilisi yini atholakala nje manje la eKhandisa Primary avuliwe nje ngoba nibona nje kanje. Sifisa nje wonke umphakathi uqwashiseke isimo sibi. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Ephumo wakhe ke la. Sephumo wakhe ke la. Nanka. Niyabona inzofu?
Ayamashiphi kumele siwaye.
Niyabona inzofu?
Kumele siwaye.
Sikhuzile sandizona. Gobax.
Ayamashiphi kakhulu kuyewa.
Methu le mashiphi sakho. Abamba mashiphi sakho na.
Angifuna ukubulala ingane zabantu. Kanti babili?
No two.
Two wadlala umuntu wangabe sizana.
Ukugulayo.
Nabasebathengela amachipsi. Angingabusaqhubeka nokuthi.
Lawa bawadlile sebedlukuka.
Uyazi ukuthi into engididayo, what confuses me about all this thing ukuthi you can hear ukuthi labo mama bathengisayo. Now she is saying we have to stop selling these chips. Why are they not stocking from these people instead? Because it's not only chips. So if she is saying we have to stop stocking these chips, it means they're still going back there to stock other things for these children. So nje kuyadida ngempela ukuthi labo mama why bengashintshe indawo bathenga kuzona and go back to our own South African wholesalers to buy there lapho ebabethenga khona before kufikela abantu. Nabo nje kwesinye isikhathi uzucabanga ukuthi should nabo ba selfish njengabo my friend. Ba selfish bafuna eyabo balwela eyabo profit ngoba bayazi ukuthi to go to those wholesalers is in town. Abo my friend baletha izinto emalokishini eduzane plus they are cheaper than ama wholesaler lawa okuthengwa kubona edrobheni. Angeke ethi ebona ukuthi sekwenzakaleni ethi yena no, we have to stop buying these chips. It means she's still going to buy ama biscuits or juice nayo yonke into for these same children. Bona nje mama abayeke ukuthenga kulabantu, abayeke ukustocka kulabantu. Finish, that's all. That's the only solution. And nathi ake siyekeni ukuthenga kulabantu. Silokhu sithi abahambe but we are busy supporting their businesses. If we want them to go, why are we still supporting their businesses? Where are they staying? Labantu if usingayeka ukuba support ngabe kade bahamba ngoba into abayihlalele vele imali bangahlalelani kungekho profit kungekho imali abayitholayo. Kodwa ngoba angazi noma sizothi singamamenemene noma siyini as South Africans ukuthi ngempela ukuthi sesingenza ukuthi kuze sithengise izingane zethu ukuthi zife, sisacrifice izingane zethu ngenxa nje ukuthi sifuna ukubukwa ukuthi singabantu abalungile. Oh hi guys.
Ngiyabingelela mphakathi sisesikoleni la sikhona la eMelmoth kwayanguye. Sifisa ukuxwayisa njengoba abantwana omunye wabantwana ekseni nje njengoba kuumhla ka2 ngolwesibili esinikeze leli philisi uthi uthola ekudleni ubeqeda kudla amakhekhe kade wadla ile nhlobo le ubese waqedileke ukwadla osethola leli philisi phakathi. So amakhekhe ke mntwana wathole kuphi? Khuluma kakhulu sisi ngoba senza ivideo. Cha, wathole kuphi amakhekhe? Wona uzowathola amakhekhe, wathole kuphi? Wathole kulo bekupha noma ubekudayise? Futhi wathenge komunye umntwana bewadayisa. Nawe sisi wadle iphilisi ulethe njani bese? Khuluma kakhulu kuzwakala ngane. Ulahlile iphilisi. Wena uke walibona iphilisi phakathi? Walenze njani? Walahla, wawadla amakhekhe. Wena ke njoba ulethile nje. So si lapha ke sithi asenze le video ngoba uhlobo lwamakhekhe nezingane sesiwaqoqile nanka, ezinye besayilindele ukuthi ziwadle. Sisawaqoqa nje kwelilodwa iclass. Bangani bami njengoba
Amaphilisi aphumela kulokhozi aphume kumkakazo Pepcon. Nangilo sinayla sikhuluma na sinaylola wapusha umkakazo.
Someone from Venda Limpopo complained about finding poison inside their spices. They bought spices from an Ethiopian spice shop, and the Ethiopian mafia is putting poison in the spices. I told you they're trying to kill us before June 30 by poisoning the food. It's a chemical war.
So guys, there's a video I posted. I was asking you, Uguti, have you noticed, Uguti, these things are happening only in KZN nowadays? Ask yourself why. These things were happening in Johannesburg years back. Why? Because there was Dudula in Joburg. The fight was in Joburg, especially in Soweto, because iDudula is based in Soweto. KZN manje elwayo nabo kakhulu than iJoburg, because iJoburg was crippled by the government. iDudula was crippled by the government in Soweto. Things now are happening in KZN, where Much and Much is, where Phakela Mthakathi is from. All these videos nowadays, for the past 3 weeks, I think, 1 month or 3 weeks, all these things are happening in KZN. And it's very clear. It's very clear. I don't want to put abo allegedly, because vele uyazibonela now. Nayi i-video le before le yokugcina uyabona ukuthi my friend is there. Bakhuluma phambi kwakhe, amaphilisi bawakhiphe phambi kwakhe ukuthi buka. He's not denying. Instead akafuna ukuthi kuthathwe i-video yalento eyenzakalayo. I know some people will come to say, no, bayasukelwa yinina enifaka lamaphilisi inside those pockets of chips. Okay, you can say whatever you want to say. I only pity innocent souls. Bengifisa ukuthi ngabe lezi zinto zenzeka kuthina abazali, hayi ingane. Ngoba kugcina sekufa abantu abangenacala, innocent souls. Yithina abantu okufanele ukuthi ngabe bayajeza. Stubborn. We are harboring these people in our homes. We are supporting their businesses. We are sacrificing our children to them. Why must our innocent children pay for our stubbornness? You want my friend to pay rent in your yard. You want my friend to give you izinto on credit. That is why you allow your children to be sacrificed for that. Even if the government say, come and register your tax shop, will give you funding, you go there and register for the same people. Why are you doing that to yourself? Is it because of the laziness that you don't want to operate that shop by yourself? You prefer to collect only 4,000 rands from my friend instead of collecting 30,000, 50,000 ngenyanga from the same shop. Why? Because you don't want to wake up in the morning, go there to work. You prefer to sleep for my friend to work, make 50,000 a day, make 60,000 a day, make millions out of that tax shop, and then you'll collect only 4,000 rands a month. Niyabona kodwa ukuthi niyahlaza. Really, I don't understand ukuthi sabantu abanjani. As I said earlier, ukuthi even our fellow South Africans abathengisayo, whether ima-tax shops or emgwaqeni, nabo are very selfish. Into ehamba phambili kubona inzuzo yabo, abanendaba ney'mpilo zabantu. Ukuthi ngoba wena eyakhe ingane ayikakafi, awunendaba ukuthi ekamakhelwane isishonile or iyagulile esibhedlela. Stop buying from these people. Sisagcizelela ukuthi yekani ukuthenga kulabantu. Zibuze ukuthi kungani ezabo singaze singezwa kuthiwa ilele ey'bhedlela zidlela ama-chips zagula or zidlela ama-chips zafa. Zibuze lowo mbuzo ukuthi ever since lento yaqala wake wezwa kuthiwa ingane ye-Bangladesh, ye-Ethiopian, ye-Nigeria ilele esibhedlela because idla ama-chips yagula yashona. Wake wakuzwa wena lokho? I don't think so. So stop buying from these people. Yekani ukuthenga kulabantu. So guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.